What's up, guys? We are on truck number 2. I did forget to get footage of truck 1. I got it in a little bit late. I needed to get it done. They were supposed to drop it off at 9 o'clock. They dropped it off like around 12:30, which when I got it, I just jumped on it, and I did forget to get some footage of it. But it's just a regular install, black suede, weld-on sunroof. Nothing too special, just the usuals. I do got truck number 2. This truck did have problems when they were driving it from somewhere near Lubbock, and I think it had a blowout and stuff like that, so they had to trailer it. So this is truck 2 in for a weld-on sunroof also. So this is what it's looking like. Headliner falling, the usual. But yeah, I'm gonna jump on it. Gotta get this truck done today so they can trailer it back. All right, guys, we got the bracket tack weld, first layer of kitty hair up on top. Sand that down, block it down, and then we'll start with the filler. All right, we got the body work done on top. You can see we're gonna install the sunroof now, so we can go ahead and run the power in the ground, get it working. We'll open it up, and then we'll start the process on the inside with the drain tubes, all 4. Get everything buttoned up, and then start the headliner process. All right, guys, we got the sunroof installed, powered up, everything is wired up, looking good. Drain tubes are in, as you can see in the back. We just finished the headliner. Now we're going to install the headliner, start putting everything back together. There's the headliner, black suede. Alright, I'm going to put everything on, power it all up, and then I'll kick you back on once we get the headliner. Alright, guys, check it out. All done. Came out badass. Alright, guys, we had a little misunderstanding on the headliner. Customer wanted it red, I did it black. I'm not sure why. I think they changed on that other truck that I did, it was going to original color and then changed to black. So I was stuck on black, but we got it. Told the customer to give me a few hours and I'll change it up for you, no problem. Red suede. Customer wanted the sun visors black and the hangers black. I left the handle and the backlight red. Badass, looks good. Red and black theme.